Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, March 23rd. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar. And it's just after 8 a.m. and Fed Chairman Powell made a speech on digital challenges. His speech didn't move the market too much. Actually, what he said the previous day at the National Association of Business Economics did move the market, and the market liked what he had to say. During the trading session, there are going to be some other Fed speakers. Nothing here is going to move the market. So moving over to the morning news, and flags are generally in the red, although things have been pretty good for the bulls the last week or so. However, there are strong headwinds. Oil is up over 112. Futures are all in the red. President Biden goes up to NATO today. He flies over to Europe. So we have to see what shakes out from that. Hopefully the war will not have any effects that I don't even want to talk about. So let's move over to the E-mini. Now, looking at the E-mini from yesterday, as I said, the market liked what Fed Chairman Powell had to say. So markets opened up above the close of the previous day and continued their rise up to the calculated trading zone. It's really amazing how these calculated numbers, seemingly made up out of thin air, actually are the price targets that the market attains. If you don't have the ability to calculate your own trading zone, I make it available as a subscription at my site, timelessdollar.com. The trading zone today, and I'll just go there briefly. The trading zone today is over here. We're not yet into the market. The close of Tuesday is at 45.05, so the market could be setting up for a gap trade. We have to see. It's still well over an hour before the market opens. And you might notice this cord I have over here. And my video today is in reference to this cord. When I was a kid, I rode the buses a lot. And when I lived in the city, in Manhattan, I rode the subway. And there was a cord that went along the side of the bus or the subway, and it said, in case of emergency, pull cord. So what do you do when you're trading and there's an emergency? Emergency as in the market is going against you? What is your emergency cord? Do you have an emergency cord? Well, every trader needs an emergency cord. And if you've been trading for any length of time, you know the feeling of the market moving away from you. So you need an emergency cord to get you out of that situation. What's your emergency cord? This is a prop, of course, but every trader needs to have an emergency cord. In my course at timelessdollar.com, there's an emergency cord in the form of rules. And your rules are your emergency cord. And by the way, there's nothing wrong with having a prop where you feel the heat of the market moving away from you when you're trading and you pull your emergency cord and it saves you or it gets you out of trouble. So that's my advice to traders today. Always have an emergency cord handy and be ready to pull it when you're in trouble. I hope you trade safely. I hope you have a great day. This is Marv Eisen, the Timeless Dollar. Use a lot of patience when you trade. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.